And there you have it. Ridiculous. What's up, everybody? Today I'm bringing to you something you've never seen before, and I've definitely never showed you it, and I call it Rainbow Road. All right, everybody, we're back. First thing you're going to need is 16 ounces of colorful flavored mini marshmallows, followed by 12 ounces of white chocolate chips. You will need approximately 2 tablespoons of butter, whether that's regular, where anyone can have it, or adults only, that's up to you. You're also going to need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, whatever brand you want, doesn't matter. Next, Skittles Gummies Fuego, incredible flavor. And it also lends a little bit of a chew. The marshmallows are soft chew, and these, while soft, are a little stiffer. So it's a nice texture, if you will. And to replace the peanuts, or nuts, whatever nuts you would normally use in a rocky road, Rainbow Nerds. This adds a little tang, but also a little crunch, which I already said. So, first thing you're going to do is melt these. You can do it on a double boiler, but it's easier in a microwave. You're going to add to this your can of sweetened condensed milk, as well as your butter. I'll be melting them in my usual mixing pot, bowl, whatever you want to call it. Reason being is that plastic is easier in the microwave because glass holds a lot of heat, and we don't want that. Not right now. I was hoping for a little bit of a snap. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, there we go. Gonna need a spoon. Be right back. Oh, shit balls. You didn't hear that. Now for the butter. Let's give them a little stir. All right, now that that's all mixed up, we're gonna hit it in the microwave on 50% power, 10 to 15 second blasts. Take it out, stir it, put it back in. Do that until it's all melted down. All right, almost ready. All right, in a big pan, as you can see down there, you're gonna wanna mix half of your marshmallows and start beating this in. This is the hard part. And by beating, I mean mixing. Folding, perhaps, would be even better of a word. The rest of the marshmallows. You could even get your hands all up in there, you know what I mean? Which I'm gonna have to do. Now, for the Fuegos. I'm using 2 bags, because I love them. Plus that sweet heat. Oh. You're gonna wanna take a 9x13 pan and line it with wax paper. Do that first, like before any of the mixing. Now, for nerds. 1 whole box should do, or less, or more. It's up to you. Now, I'm going to grab that pan. Now remember, you're gonna wanna work incredibly fast. So, just take it by the handful and plop it in there. Just like that. Put your bigger pan away. Just realized Halo is in there. Not the game, the light. Obviously, you know what I'm talking about. Just very carefully spread it apart. Condense it down, however you want to do it. Now that Nerds box was already open, so I'm using a little bit to add on top. I think that's good. Now, using your gloved hand, pat it down some more, just to get those nerds that we just added to really stick. And there you go. That's how you make Candy Curiosities Rainbow Road candies. Now we're gonna let this sit for like an hour or so. All right, as you can see, it's ready to cut up into little squares. It's firmed up, nice, and it's ready to be cut. So let's get to it. You can make them as big or as little as you want. Super easy. This stuff's so good, I can eat it all. I'm not even joking, but I won't because I'm on a diet. True story. Making a couple big squares because I didn't line it up correctly. should have used my pizza cutter for this. I still have time. I'll be right back. This one. I don't know why that sounded like a dying seal. Oh, so much easier. If you have one of these, use it. And some bite sizes for yours truly. And there you have it, Rainbow Road candies. Super easy to make and incredibly delicious. Oh, that's a home run. Those nerds add that perfect crunch. Take these to a potluck, give them as gifts, people are gonna love it. And you don't have to use the Fuego, you can use any Skittle gummy. Let me know if you like them. I'll see you next time. I'm Burns. Bye.